Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to build a contractor business website simply and easily using Mighty Sites. You can literally instantly deploy a website for your contractor business using this system. So first thing to note, Mighty Sites is only $9 a month, so it's extremely affordable. Creates a really professional one-page website for your contractor business, and these sites get deployed instantly. You can launch them and start using them to market your business and drive leads. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm here in Mighty Sites. Start your free trial. It's a 7-day free trial. You can click on the link below this video to get started. And I'm just going to search for contractor. And you can see there are all types of different contractor themes. So air conditioning contractor, general contractor, asphalt contractor, drywall contractor, heating contractor, insulation contractor, paving contractor, roofing contractor, well drilling contractor, right? Every type of contractor pretty much is represented and has a theme in Mighty Sites, has a website theme. So what I'm going to suggest, I'll just use the contractor one for now, but just depending on your exact type of contractor business, each theme already has the images and text pre-written for your business. So go with the one that's specific to what type of contractor you are or the type that you're trying to build a website for. So I'll just click on contractor. And so the first thing I'll do, I'll just put Keegan contracting, and then I'm going to put my location. I'll put Denver, Colorado, and then my type of business. This is a service. If you're a contractor, that's a service business. I'm going to click continue. And now just like that, the website system is going to automatically and instantly generate a simple professional website for my contractor business just like that. So it's really easy to do and it's really easy to get started. So now let me just show you. You could literally launch this website right away as the website for your business. All of the images are licensed, pre-licensed for you to use. All of the text is pre-written and it's all relevant. So you can see I put in that I was in, here's my business name and I'm in Denver, Colorado. That's already populated here. Now, what I can do if I want to easily make some updates is just go to any section like update section, and I can add social media links. So I can add facebook.com/ and then I'll just put my business Facebook, save that. Now that's Facebook logos there automatically. You can add any social links. Probably want to add my phone number so people can call and text me for quotes. Put in my phone number, save that. There we go. I can add my email address as well and show that on the site if I'd like to, if that's the way I communicate with customers. I can upload my logo. So let me just browse here and let me just find a logo. I'm sure I have one here that I'll use for this demo. So let me just upload a logo. I'll use the Mighty Sites logo. So as soon as I upload this, I can save it. And now it's really easy. I mean, that shows up looking great. I can make it bigger if I prefer. I can make it smaller if I want. If I click on this little pencil, there are all sorts of easy editing tools, not just for logos, but for any type of picture, photo, or image. You can go in here and you can crop it. You can add filters to it. You can fine tune it or annotate it. You can decorate the image, add a frame to it. And that's for any image that you want to add to your contractor business website. So once that's good to go, I just click on save the logo and close. Now I've got a logo on the site. I can change this main hero to be, a text and a call to action button. I can update the image, change around the nav links if that's the way I'd prefer to have it. For the text section, I can just go in here and simply write in, this is a website builder for a contractor business. So there we go, right? I just write that in. I can change the button. So maybe I want people to call me. So call us. And then I can change this link to go to just my phone number. So when people are on a mobile phone or on a smartphone and they're looking at my website, they just click on call us or call me and it'll link to immediately call from their phone. That's really easy to do. Maybe I do want the contact to be like something like request a quote, and have it just linked down when people click on it to that contact form on my website. Then I just go to my website, I go to my lead form section, I save that, and now when people click on it, it'll bring them down to the lead form section down on the site right here so they can submit themselves for a quote. This comes pre-populated with all the different types of services I might offer. I can go in here and just delete the ones that I don't offer. I keep the ones that I do. Again, it just makes it really easy for you to get started. And to change any of the images on the site, you just go to update section, browse, and upload a JPEG image from your computer to switch this out. If I want to change the colors, let's just say, maybe blue, maybe a brighter blue is more appropriate for me, or maybe I like, maybe red is kind of the color I prefer, or maybe these earth tones. You can switch out the color theme on the website really quickly and easily just to be something that you prefer for the way that you market your business. It can all sorts of different color themes here, just based on how you prefer to market and showcase your business. But once everything looks good, is ready to go, you can take this site live and launch using a custom domain. If you prefer, you can even go in here and test out this, because this is how you're going to get leads. There's a lead form right on here. One of the best parts about having a website for your contractor business is that customers can come on here, submit themselves, right, once they're interested, and maybe a friend sent the link to your website, which is quite often how it works. Then they can go on here and submit their information and just say, I would like a quote for a bathroom remodel project. Then I can submit that. If I'm the customer on your website, I get a nice thank you message. And then you, as the owner of the website, can go to your site dashboard at any time and see the new leads that you're getting for your business through your website. You can go in here, view the lead, see their message, and then you can call, text, or email them to get back together and close the deal. So if I go here, here's where I can connect my domain. Super simple and easy to do. Update my social media links, update my location, then go back and update my website at any time. So just like that, with a few clicks, you can instantly create a website for your contractor business using Mighty Sites and launch it today to generate leads and grow your contractor business.